Well, it's no secret that we need to exercise for a healthy heart and a healthy body, but now it may benefit your mind by curbing your risk for depression. Dr. Nandi joins us right now for more on this story. Hi, Dr. Nandi.
Hi, Carolyn.
All right, so tell us, how much exercise are we talking about here?
So, Carolyn, it may surprise people how little exercise you really need to do. Almost 34,000 Norwegian adults were followed for about 11 years, and everyone was healthy and free from anxiety or depression symptoms at the start. When researchers followed up, however, they found that those who did not exercise, guess what, were 44% more likely to become depressed compared to those who did exercise. And how much do these folks exercise? 1 or 2 hours per week.
Wow. Okay, so what was the exercise intensity level? I mean, were they working really hard to gain these benefits?
That's a great question. So the intensity level that these people engaged in can pleasantly surprise you. The researchers found you didn't have to work out like a warrior, get sweaty, breathless, fatigued. Low intensity levels of exercise were just as protective as moderate or vigorous exercise, so pretty good.
Wow, that is good to know. So what is it about exercise that helps keep depression away? Because so many people suffer from depression.
That's a great question. We really don't know for sure, but we think that, with scientists, that there may be a combination of a bunch of things. Mood boosting endorphins can get released, self-esteem can improve, and you can also benefit from the social interaction and the support. Together, these can really make an impact. And there are other self-care steps you can take, so I've got prescriptions for you as always. Number one, watch your stress. It's a risk factor for depression, so learn to let go of what you can't control and try managing stress with what I call meditation or mindfulness, are my favorites. Build a tribe also you can regularly connect with, and it can be family or friends. It's a strong support system that you can lean on when times get tough. Also aim to get 150 minutes of exercise a week for overall good health. Walk, bike, dance if you like, garden, or head a yoga class. Doesn't matter what it is, just get movement into your daily life. And finally, if you suspect you have depression, which is persistent sadness or feelings of hopelessness, then get help early. Don't wait as you want to prevent it from getting worse.
Wow, all good advice. All right, last question for you, doctor. What if you have depression right now? Can you still benefit from exercising?
Absolutely, Carolyn. Exercise can help you recover if you have depression, but I have to say it's important to talk to your doctor, as you may need medication and counseling as well. Depression is very treatable and not something you should be ashamed of or feel like you need to hide, so that's really important for people to know.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Talk to your doctor if necessary. As always, thank you so much for your medical expertise, Dr. Nandi. You help so many people. Joanne?